Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include parking assist system, keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2019 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.